What's up, guys? Today we are doing a new video, and you guys are wondering why we're going so fast. We are on my bike. My mom called. We might be going to Chuck E. Cheese. I may do some gameplay on that. I'm sorry for the bad quality and stuff like that, but we are going to talk. We might be doing Chuck E. Cheese. We don't know yet. No promises have been made. I tried making a video of getting here, but my mom called, so we gotta come back home. She said we gotta talk about what we're doing for dinner because it was the end of first day of school, and I get to choose what we're eating tonight. So I want to eat at Chuck E. Cheese because I can play arcade. Parents feel bad for me, so they give me a lot of money. Blow on some random crap. Oops, a truck is coming. I'm not covering up my license plate. But we are rolling home on our bike. So, we're almost home. We have no shoes on. No shoes. Ow. Ah! It's hard. So we are pulling into our house. My dad switched out the truck with my grandparents. We're gonna live the truck. Our car's coming. But we are going. So we are going in the house. So we are here. I knocked something over. So sorry. You could hear that bad audio because I'm recording on my phone. But we are going inside. We parked my bike. So now we're going inside. What's up? Where's Shrike? Is that him? It's Oh, this is the end of the vlog, guys. See you later. Peace out. Bye.